Hey guys, just a little video here on the overview of the battery for the Starlink Mini. Obviously, if you've got a Starlink Mini and you just want an easy portable power supply for it, basically you have this. It slides into the other middle, so you'll have the pole adapter that came with the Starlink. Just fits in there like so, tighten like that up, and that obviously slides back into your Starlink. And that is basically what you're looking at there. So, easy way to give yourself power on the go. You've got an on button up here that tells you how much extra batteries are left, and on the side here you've got a power button and a charge port. In the kit you will get a charger extra for it. We'll see if we can get an add-on car charger too, so you can charge it when you're out and about. It's 19 volt, 5 amp hours. Maybe double check the product page here, but I feel like it can power the unit for 12 hours, and we'll also put the charge time in there. But super easy battery pack to give yourself power on your Starlink when you need it from that sort of source.